Hello, Virgo. Jealousy is reaching breaking point. Someone is watching your success, watching you rise, watching you shine, watching you advance, watching you thrive, watching you achieve, watching you prosper, watching you level up, watching you break through. And that watching is creating fury, that observing is generating rage, that witnessing is producing jealousy extreme, that seeing your good is creating their resentment, intense emotions building, anger accumulating, resentment intensifying, jealousy reaching critical mass, consequences organizing. Because livid about you means extreme anger, means intense fury, means rage substantial, means not mild annoyance, means not slight irritation, means livid, furious, enraged, intensely angry, substantially furious, extremely resentful. Livid means maximum anger, extreme emotion, intense reaction. Livid about you reveals your success triggering, reveals your advancement creating resentment, reveals your prosperity generating jealousy, reveals your achievement producing anger. Livid reaction to you shows you're doing something right, succeeding visibly, advancing noticeably, threatening their ego, and start dropping like flies means consequences coming, means karma operating, means downfall approaching, means justice manifesting, means their negativity backfiring, means their jealousy destroying them, not you, means dropping, means falling, failing, collapsing, experiencing consequences. Like flies means rapidly, multiple, obvious. Dropping like flies implies rapid consequences, implies multiple failures, implies obvious downfall, implies visible collapse, implies karma swift, implies justice quick, implies consequences immediate. Dropping means falling from position, losing ground, experiencing decline. Like flies means fast and visible. Here's what livid about you specifically means their jealousy. Jealous of your success visible. Jealous of your advancement obvious. Jealous of your achievement undeniable. Jealous of your prosperity evident. Jealous of your growth clear. Jealous of your thriving apparent. Success, jealousy, creating rage. Advancement, envy, generating fury. Achievement, resentment, producing livid reaction. Success, jealousy, manifests as rage at your wins, manifests as fury at your advancement, manifests as anger at your prosperity, manifests as resentment at your thriving. Jealousy of success creates livid emotion toward you. Envy of achievement generates rage visible. Inhale. Success, jealousy means they see you succeeding, means they watch you advancing, means they witness you achieving, means your success triggers their inadequacy, means your advancement highlights their stagnation. Success, jealousy creates rage. Threatened by your growth rapid, threatened by your evolution visible, threatened by your transformation obvious, threatened by your leveling up, threatened by your breaking through, threatened by your surpassing them, potentially. Threat feeling creating livid response, intimidation generating rage reaction. Threat feeling manifests as anger at your growth, manifests as fury at your evolution, manifests as rage at your advancement, manifests as resentment at your surpassing. Feeling threatened creates livid emotion. Intimidation generates fury visible. The threat feeling means your growth scares them, means your evolution intimidates them, means your advancement threatens their position potentially, means your success highlights their lack. Threat creates defensive rage. Bitter about your happiness, visible. Bitter about your joy, obvious. Bitter about your peace, evident. Bitter about your contentment, clear. Bitter about your thriving emotionally. Bitter about your wellness, apparent. Happiness, bitterness, creating, rage, joy, resentment, generating, fury. Happiness, bitterness manifests as rage at your joy, manifests as fury at your peace, manifests as anger at your contentment, manifests as resentment at your thriving. Bitterness about your happiness creates livid emotion. Envy of joy generates fury. Time, happiness, bitterness means your joy triggers their misery awareness, means your peace highlights their chaos, means your contentment reveals their dissatisfaction. Happiness envy creates bitter rage. Resentful of attention you receive, resentful of recognition you get, resentful of admiration you attract, resentful of respect you earn, resentful of attention focused on you, resentful of spotlight shining toward you, attention, resentment, creating rage, recognition, envy, generating fury. Attention, resentment manifests as rage at your recognition, manifests as fury at your admiration, manifests as anger at your respect, manifests as resentment at your spotlight. Attention envy creates livid emotion. Recognition jealousy generates fury. Attention resentment means they want attention you receive, means they desire recognition you get, means they crave spotlight on you. Attention envy creates resentful rage. Here's what dropping like flies means: their consequences. Their schemes backfiring rapidly, their plots failing spectacularly, their manipulations collapsing visibly, their negativity returning to them, their jealousy destroying them, not you. Karma operating swiftly, consequences manifesting quickly, justice arriving rapidly. Schemes backfiring creates their downfall, creates their failure, creates their collapse, creates their consequences. Negativity toward you returning to them. Jealousy projected backfiring spectacularly, schemes against you destroying them instead. Time, schemes backfiring means what sent to harm you harms them, means negativity projected returns, means jealousy expressed backfires, means karma operates stay. Their schemes against you create their own downfall. Their reputation crumbling publicly, their image collapsing visibly, their facade falling obviously, their pretense revealing publicly, reputation damage happening rapidly, public exposure occurring obviously, facade collapse visible clearly. Reputation crumbling creates public awareness of truth, creates visible downfall, creates obvious consequences, creates reputation damage substantial, creates image collapse apparent. Their negativity revealed publicly, truth exposed obviously. Inhane, reputation crumbling means people see truth, means facade falls, means pretense ends, means reality reveals, reputation, consequences, visible, publicly. Their support disappearing quickly, their allies leaving rapidly, their network collapsing visibly, their connections severing obviously, support withdrawal happening fast, allies departing quickly, network collapse rapid, support disappearing creates isolation increasing, creates allies leaving, creates network collapsing, creates connection severing, support loss happening rapidly, people distancing obviously, allies withdrawing visibly. Port disappearing means people see truth about them, means allies recognize toxicity, means network withdraws support loss rapid and visible. Their opportunities closing suddenly, their doors shutting rapidly, their options disappearing quickly, their chances evaporating visibly, opportunities withdraw happening fast, doors closing obviously, options disappearing rapidly, opportunities closing creates advancement, stopping, creates progress, halting, creates growth, preventing, creates opportunities lost, doors that opened closing, chances that existed disappearing. Options withdrawing rapidly, inhane, opportunities closing means advancement stops, means progress halts, means growth prevents, opportunities lost visible consequences. What buckle up specifically means for you. Inlay, prepare for vindication visible, prepare for validation public, prepare for truth revealing obviously, prepare for justice manifesting visibly, vindication approaching, validation coming, truth revealing, justice manifesting. Buckle up means prepare for visible consequences they face. Vindication preparing means truth revealing publicly, means justice manifesting visibly, means their downfall obvious, means your innocence clear, means vindication arriving for you, watching, prepare to witness consequences. Inhane, vindication preparing requires emotional readiness, requires maintaining high road, requires not gloating, requires grace through vindication, requires humility through validation, prepare to witness with maturity. Maintain high road despite their downfall, maintain grace despite their consequences, maintain dignity despite their collapse, maintain character despite their karma, high road despite vindication, grace despite validation, dignity despite justice manifesting. High road maintains character through vindication, maintains dignity through validation, maintains grace through consequences witnessed, maintains maturity through karma observed. High road demonstrates character strong just when vindicated. Road means not gloating, means not celebrating their downfall publicly, means not rubbing in, means grace through vindication, means dignity through validation. High road shows character. Protect your energy from their chaos. Protect your peace from their drama. Protect your focus from their downfall. Protect your energy from their consequences. Protection from their chaos matters. Distance from their drama serves. Focus maintained despite their collapse. Energy protection serves maintaining peace, serves preserving focus, serves protecting from chaos, serves distance from drama. Energy protection keeps you separate from their consequences. Boundaries maintained during their downfall. Inane energy protection means boundaries maintained, means distance kept, means focus preserved, means peace protected, energy guarded from their chaos. Continue focusing on your success. Continue advancing your path. Continue building your life. Continue pursuing your goals. Continue growing your success. Focus on your advancement, not their downfall. Energy toward your growth, not their collapse. Continuing success serves your advancement, serves your growth, serves your prosperity, serves your evolution. Focus on your path, not their consequences. Energy toward your success, not their downfall. Continue rising regardless their falling. Continuing success means focus on self, means energy toward growth, means advancement continuing, means success building. Your path matters more than their downfall. And trust karma operates without your help. Trust justice manifests without your intervention. Trust consequences arrive without your involvement. Trust universe handles without your action. Karma operates independently. Justice manifests without needing your help. Consequences arrive without requiring your involvement. The power is yours. It always has been. Livid about you dropping like flies. From success, jealousy, threat feeling, happiness, bitterness, attention, resentment, creating schemes, backfiring, reputation crumbling, support disappearing. Opportunities closing your job is preparing for vindication, maintaining high road, protecting energy, continuing success, trusting karma, and understanding their rage shows your success. Their consequences prove karma operates. Your vindication arrives without needing your involvement. High road demonstrates character strongest. Take what resonates, softly release the rest, trust yourself, and listen. Somebody is livid, furious, enraged, resentful, jealous, intensely about you, your success, your advancement, your achievement, your prosperity, your thriving. Inhale, their jealousy extreme, their resentment intense, their anger substantial, their fury visible, and consequences are coming for them, not you. Their negativity backfiring, their jealousy destroying them. Dropping like flies, rapid consequences, visible downfall, obvious collapse. His schemes backfiring, reputation crumbling, support disappearing, opportunities closing. Karma operating, justice manifesting, consequences arriving, swiftly, visibly, obviously. Buckle up means prepare. Vindication coming, validation arriving, truth revealing, justice manifesting. Inhale, maintain high road. Protect energy, continue success, trust karma. Their rage shows your success. Their consequences prove karma operates. Your vindication arrives without needing involvement. High road demonstrates character.